Alright guys, this is my Supra. Don't mind the swirl marks all over it. It's from doing work on it. I'll take care of that. This is my Supra as it stands today. It's sad. I gotta take the turbos out. They're burning quite a bit of oil. Car's dirty. It's got swirls and scuffs all over it, which really upsets me. But it's a byproduct of constantly working on it. It's almost done. Almost done. Can't wait to have it back. I don't know. About to take the turbos out, so I'm kind of like missing the car already. So I figured I would take a video of it. The BTI gauge.